Web design, it's broken. But I'm hoping with sufficient amounts of duct tape, we can make it a whole lot better again. There exists in this world an organization that is multinational, that has tens of thousands of people working for it all around the globe. This organization wields an incredible amount of power, and if you're online and if you're in business, this organization can at any point have a dramatic impact on your business. By being online and in business, you are automatically playing the game set by this business. You're automatically playing by a bunch of rules that you may not even know exist. And the thing about this organization is that at any time, for any reason, without warning, they can change the rules. And that can make or break your business. Who am I talking about? You've probably guessed. That organization's name is Google. And you are playing Google's game. Actually, it's a little unfair to just pick on Google because, like I say, if you're online and if you're in business and you're trying to make a success of it online, then you're playing Google's game, you're playing Facebook's game, you're playing Twitter's game, LinkedIn's, Instagram, you name it. You are playing their game and they can change the rules. This is a thing that you don't get told when you start going into business, when you start launching your organizations, and when you start trying to make and gain influence online and connect with people and things like that. No one tells you that you are playing by a set of rules that you will never fully understand. Which is why today I wanted to be the person to say, this is the name of the game and these are ultimately the rules. Whatever any of these companies say about their reason for existing, whether that being organizing the world's information and making it universally accessible, or connecting every single person on the planet with every other person on the planet. The truth is that regardless of what these companies say, these people have one thing at the top of their agenda: curating and promoting content that they think their users are gonna find interesting. So in the case of Google, this is new, fresh, original content. So whether it's Instagram, whether it's Facebook, whether it's Google, the name of the game for them is push new, fresh, unique, and engaging content to its users. And that's where you come in, because this is the name of the game. You need to be producing new, fresh, original content and feeding Google, feeding Facebook, feeding Instagram, and if you do that, then they reward you with clicks, with likes, with traffic, and hopefully some of that you convert into business. That is Google's game. Well, I'm calling it Google's game because I like the alliteration. That is the name of the game if you are online and if you are in business. Produce new, fresh, engaging content, feed it to Google, and you will win. My name is Aaron Taylor. I'm helping you to make better decisions and have better conversations when you're buying a website. Till next time.